Want to live longer without spending a dime on doctors? These tiny daily habits might add 10 plus years to your life. Science reveals shocking secrets to living past 90. Most people shorten their life without even realizing it. What if I told you your life expectancy isn't fixed? Most people think genetics decides your lifespan, but that's only half the story. One habit people do every morning might be silently reducing their lifespan. Doctors live longer than average. Want to know their daily routines? There's a blue zone lifestyle secret that almost no one is talking about. Only 10% of long life is luck. The rest? Watch and find out. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how to live a longer, healthier life, you're in the right place. We're diving into habits proven to increase life expectancy, and the best part? Most of them are simple, free, and can be started today. So stay with me till the end, because habit might just change everything you thought about aging. While no hard and fast rule will guarantee the delivery of a foolproof answer to your question, how can I increase my life expectancy? There are specific steps to follow to ensure that your body is healthy and that you are on the correct path on your quest of knowing how to increase your life expectancy. It seems that the advice given by our parents, eating well, exercising regularly, getting sufficient sleep, and keeping away from bad habits, was indeed the apt answer to how to increase life expectancy. Here are the tips of increase to life expectancy. 1. Regular physical exercise. Regular physical exercise in your most convenient form is the most important way to stay active and healthy. As you grow older, your body changes naturally, and you may face a reduction in energy, gradual loss in mass of muscles and muscles overall, and aches and pains in your joints. Due to these conditions, you may feel tempted to move to a sedentary lifestyle. However, giving into these conditions will increase the risk for you to suffer from diseases and disabilities, and even face an untimely death. Any form of physical exercise appropriate for your physical condition and age, be it walking, stretching exercises, jogging, running, swimming, weight training, or playing your favorite sport, will all promote healthy aging and provide the most essential response on how to increase lifespan. Do you know how physical activity increases life expectancy? Regular exercise brings several benefits. 2. Following a healthy diet. A healthy, well-balanced diet goes a long way in providing a solution to how life expectancy can be increased. Eating well is very important to the central question of how to increase the life expectancy of ourselves. A diet that is antioxidant-rich and contains anti-inflammatory polyphenols goes a long way in preventing chronic diseases and conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, obesity, and cancer. You will find below a diet showing you how to increase the longevity of life. A vegetarian diet rich in legumes and grains, or also in fish if you are a pescatarian. Eat more raw fruits and vegetables. Consume low levels of foods rich in sugar or refined carbohydrates. Avoid red meat and processed meats. Consume low levels of dairy foods and avoid processed dairy products. Consume limited quantities of white meat. 3. Reduction of weight and maintaining a healthy BMI, body mass index. Another definite answer to your question on increasing your life expectancy is to shed excess body weight. Obesity is one of the biggest obstacles to extending life expectancy. The World Health Organization calls obesity a condition of depositing excess fat in the body. Causes of obesity are the lack of balance between the intake of energy in your diet and the expending of your energy in the form of physical activities. The deposits of excessive fats in your body lead to obesity. When your intake of calories is more than what your body can immediately process, these calories are converted into triglycerides and stored in your fat cells. High triglycerides indicate that your body stores more fat than it requires, which may lead to obesity. 4. No smoking and zero use of tobacco. Tobacco is the biggest obstacle you will face in the answer to your question, how to increase my life expectancy. Smoking causes grievous harm to your body, causing several diseases, including the following: cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, diabetes, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. If you have been able to keep away from smoking and all forms of tobacco consumption in its entirety in knowing how to increase longevity. Still, if you are a smoker, you need to quit immediately, reaping benefits starting from the moment you kick the habit, difficult as it may seem to be. Giving up smoking and all forms of tobacco is vital to knowing how to increase human lifespan. 5. Keep your mind and brain active. As they say, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. This is also true if you want to know, how can I increase my longevity? Keeping your brain active keeps deadly degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia away. Keep yourself informed and initiate daily meaningful conversations to keep your mind and brain sharp. 6. Get regular medical checkups done. Another critical part of extending your lifespan is getting regular medical checkups. Do not neglect the slightest of syndromes, as they may escalate into something serious and life-threatening. Care Health Insurance has some great policies like Care Supreme, Care Advantage and Care Senior, which provide regular and periodic health checkups, online e-consultations, OPD care. 7. Avoid alcoholic drinks. Consuming alcohol is generally detrimental to health. While some studies suggest potential benefits from light drinking, particularly for heart health, the risks associated with alcohol consumption, especially heavy drinking, significantly outweigh any potential advantages. Alcohol consumption is linked to a wide range of health problems, including liver disease, various cancers, cardiovascular issues, and mental health disorders. It is best to avoid it altogether to improve longevity. Conclusion. Now you know your answer to how a healthy lifestyle increases life expectancy. Age well, and do not adopt sedentary and unhealthy habits. The secret to a long life is more in your control rather than genes. Follow good habits and enjoy a long life. So, which of these longevity tips surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. And if you're serious about living a longer, healthier life, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got more powerful health hacks coming your way every week. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. See you in the next video.